I'm going to show you how to estimate an irrational expression that has pi in it, and it can be a lot harder if pi is being multiplied, and in this case pi is being multiplied by itself. So I'm going to show you a couple options for how we can estimate. If we just need it to be kind of close enough, like just around the nearest couple digits, couple integers, then we could just say that 3 is good enough for pi. So what's 3 squared plus 2? Well, 3 squared is 9 plus 2 is 11. However, you're going to see that that's actually really inaccurate. Not really inaccurate, but it's not accurate enough for our purposes. If we were to multiply it as 3.1, rounding down to the nearest tenth, then 3.1 squared plus 2, I need to actually do this by hand, like this. 3.1 times 3.1. When I multiply digits like this, when I multiply decimals, I do everything and then I add the decimal at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There's the first part. I add in a 0 and then I get 3. Okay, now I'm going to add them all together and I get 961. But remember, this is going to be about 9 because 3 squared is 9, so I'm going to put my decimal in there. It's 9.61. So 9.61 plus 2 equals 11.61. And that's actually closer to 12. So this gives us probably a better estimate of what 3 pi squared plus 2 is, rather than 3 squared plus 2 would do. Now, just for kicks, I'm going to show you if we went 2 digits, 3.14. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Let's put my work over here. Okay, this is going to take some time, so I'm not going to talk to you, but remember that we're going to add our decimal in at the end. Oh, gotta remember my 0. And then 2 zeros at the end. Okay, then 6, 9, 7, 8, 9. Okay, remember it's still going to be about 9 point something, so it's going to be 9.8746. If we were to round this guy, then that's going to be about 9.9 or so. So this is like 9.9 plus 2. I'm going to end up with 11.9. So this is actually our most accurate answer. Let's go ahead and see what pi squared plus 2 actually works out to be. I get 11.869. So 11.9 is really, really close and probably our best bet. So I would recommend, if you're squaring a number, to go out to 2 decimal places. That way it's a little more accurate. However, this one will probably suit your needs. And then you can say, maybe go up a little bit, say it's like 11.8, 11.9, and that will accommodate for that error. So that's how you go ahead and do that. Make sure that you are picking an option that works out the best. Don't say that it's about 3, because that's gonna, if you were to round to the nearest integer, 11 is different than 12.